saw something that can happen at any time, especially if you forget to put the cap on the spool, which is what I forgot to do, and then the spool went flying. So let's do it again. I did, by the way, end up with a bobbin, a full bobbin. So what I'm going to do is put the bobbin in its case. Okay. You put the bobbin in counterclockwise and slip it in here. And it's locked, so you got to make sure it's locked. Leave the thread in there. And now the next thing I'm going to do is put, like I said, I put in a gray thread. Just for a little accent color. I thought that'd be nice. And you start right here. Most of our machines do look this way. Remember to keep your presser foot up. It should not be down. See, it goes in there. And now I'm going to lower the foot so I can use my needle threader. Isn't that beautiful? I love my needle threader. And that's it. We're ready to go. Okay. Now, our little bat starts off like this. On this paper, you can draw a pair of a wing and a body. The body needs 2 pieces, and you need 4 wings because each wing requires 2 pieces. And I think your wing should be about 5 1/4 long and maybe 2 1/4 inches wide, you know. And the body should be from head to the back 4 1/2 inches, and from side to side 3 inches. Okay, and then you're just going to sew it with a 1/4 inch sleeve seam. So I'm just going to show you right now the one of the wings, and what I needed to do is get a little stuffing, but it's okay. I'll just start from here and we can stuff it later. I'm just going to show you. I'm using the edge of the foot as a guide right there, and right now my machine is set. If you can see it right here, it's set to tie off front and thread cutter and presser foot lifter, so it's all automatic for me. So I'll just start. It'll go down, it'll lock it up, and I will sew, carefully pivoting in those corners. And what I do want to do is when I pivot, I want to have that foot stay down. So I'm going to make that happen by lighting that, and next time my foot will stay down so I can just pivot in my corners. And I go slow because you're more accurate when you go slow. See how my foot stayed down? I'm going to do one more stitch there. Now I want my foot to see how that looks. That's great. So now I want to go in a little bit and follow the curves, and when I get into that one point, I'm going to stop and my foot should stay down. That's what I needed to do, and it's doing great. And I follow it around. Down, and then you lift and turn wherever you want to start. Here's one more little corner, down, and now I want it to lock, to tie off, so I'm going to let it know it's going to tie off right when I tell it to by pushing this button. See, it will tie it off, back and forth, and cut. Well, most of the time. Okay, there you go. There's one bat wing. And then we're just going to put a little bit of fiber fill in here. And that will be that. Okay? Bye.